Hey y'all, what's going on? Richard here with RNEWBBQ. Glad you could join me today. On today's video, we're going to do up a Cajun recipe using some German spices that we just got in. Today, we're doing fish with a crab sauce using that German seafood rub. Let's go ahead and see what that seafood rub tastes like. You can definitely taste that salt, pepper, garlic. There's a definite citrus punch to it and some herbs that I really can't identify. It tastes great though. So let's go ahead and see how it tastes on that fish. So let's get started. It's ready now. The smell that's coming off of this is simply amazing. All right, taste test now. Buttery, creamy, smooth, got some flavor to it, nice subtle tones. It'd have been kicked up another little notch if I'd have used some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. That would have really set it off, but we're using the German spice, so nice and smooth and silky. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.